Of course, it will always be my joy to respond to your queries kasi alam ko how important it is na may sumasagot sa mga questions natin in mind, mga katanungan natin na most of the time, if not all the time, hindi nasasagot ng ating mga kaibigan or yung mga tao sa paligid mo. So here I am once again at gusto ko na sana masatisfy ko kayo sa inyong mga questions sa pamamagitan ng pagbibigay ng aking experiences, stock knowledge, and yun po yung result ng pagbabasa at pag-aaral sa mga bagay-bagay na kung minsan talaga you have to do it to be able to pursue yung ginagawa mo sa buhay like this one sa ating YouTube channel. Basta manood ka lang sa ating YouTube channel, mag-like, mag-share sa mga videos natin. That will be of great help para sa akin at sa YouTube channel natin. So for today, I have 5 comments to tackle and to discuss with you at maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nag-iiwan ng kanilang mga comments sa ating comment section, mga queries, and even appreciation. Maraming salamat. Alright, so without further ado, umpisa na tayo. Alright, ang unang query natin nanggaling kay Eduardo. Ang tanong niya, magkano daw ba ang processing fee ni BDO Credit to Cash? Actually, ang tawag kay BDO is cash installment. Yung credit to cash kasi is kay BPI. Anyway, same transaction lang, pero may mga term lang talaga na ginagamit. May term lang talaga na ginagamit ang mga bangko. So, kay BDO is cash installment. So, ang tanong ni Eduardo, magkano daw ba ang processing fee? Okay, kay BDO cash installment, ang processing fee is 5% of the remaining balance or 300 pesos, whichever is higher. And then, there is also an additional 200 pesos for every approved transaction. So, kapag approved ang transaction mo, meron kang babayaran na 200 plus 300 yung processing fee. So, all in all, 500 pesos. Those are the anticipated figures just in case na nag-apply ka for the cash installment ni BDO at ma-approve ka. Okay, another query na nanggaling naman kay Glide. Okay, ang query naman ni Glide, pina-convert niya yung 20,000 na credit limit niya into cash. So, cash installment. At nag-fill out na daw siya ng cash installment form, tapos nag-email siya, and then she's instructed to wait for 2 to 3 banking days. At ang query niya, tama daw ba yung ginawa niya? Alright, actually, kapag meron tayong ina-applyan na like this one, cash installment, we really have to wait kasi merong approving time talaga or number of days before the approval of our applications. Hihintayin lang natin. But of course, tama ba yung steps na ginawa mo sa pagpapa-convert ng ating credit limit? Okay, para mas klaro sa'yo, bibigyan kita ng detalyadong steps, makatulong man lang sa'yo para makita mo kung tama nga ba yung steps na ginawa mo. So, bibigyan kita ng detailed steps in the process of cash installment ni BDO.
To apply for BDO's cash installment program, you can either apply online by clicking Apply Now on the BDO website, or by visiting any BDO branch, or by downloading the BDO Pay app and clicking on the cash installment icon. Here's a breakdown of the options. BDO Pay app, download the BDO Pay app. Click on the cash installment icon and select Avail Cash. Cash installment hotlines, BDO installment card, call 02-8688-1212. BDO credit cards, call 02-8667-1680. Call from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on banking days. Or visit any BDO branch near you. Use the branch locator on the BDO website.
Alright, so there you go, Glide. I-take note mo yan, ha? Alright, sige. Puntahan naman natin ang query ni Globeman. Ang sabi niya, ask ko lang kung paano mag-apply ng credit card. Ano ang mga kailangang requirements? Saan maganda kumuha ng credit card? Alright, so para kay Globe, paano nga ba mag-apply ng credit card? Okay, so we can do it online, no? Punta lang tayo sa website ng bangko na gusto natin. Ang pinakamaganda na bangko is kung saan ang mother bank mo. Ibig kong sabihin, kapag meron kang savings account sa bangko ng PNB or ng Metro Bank or ng BPI, para sa akin, I strongly suggest na doon ka kumuha or mag-apply ng credit card. Ano nga bang dapat gawin? Anong dapat i-prepare? Of course, kailangan you have to prove to the bank bago ka i-approve ni bangko, kailangan ma-prove mo sa kanya na meron kang monthly income at stable ang source of income mo. Kasi tatanungin ni bangko or mag-a-ask si bangko ng requirements such as payslip or proof of income. Sa mga may negosyo naman, tinitignan nila yung mga documents that you have to show, like halimbawa yung license to operate, and then yung bank account, tinitignan naman nila. And aside from that, additional is of course yung iyong government issued ID. At least meron kang isa or dalawa na government issued ID. Plus, fully fill out yung form na nandun sa website. Si PNB kasi may pinapa-download na form and then you have to fill that out and then submit that to the bank or pwede ring i-email. Pero yung ibang bangko, parang sa website ka na lang mismo mag-fill out dun sa mga questions or dun sa mga requirement na gusto nilang malaman tungkol sa'yo. Alright, sino ang pwedeng mag-apply? Of course, kailangan nasa legal age ka.
Age requirement for the credit card application is 21 to 65 years old.
Pwedeng mag-apply, alright? Sana makapag-apply ka, Globe, para matry mo din kung gaano kaganda ang credit card. Kung minsan, depende kasi sa pagmamanage. So, sinasabi ko palagi sa mga videos natin na before you apply or before you get approved with a credit card, kailangan you have to set your mind right. Okay, so you have to be very responsible in managing your credit card. Kasi kapag nagkamali ka, isang beses, dalawang beses, hindi ka nakapagbayad, ang laking impact yon para sa'yo because it will affect your credit score. At kapag napabayaan mo yung mga unpaid bills mo, lumaki ng lumaki, dumami ng dumami ang interest hanggang sa mabaon ka sa utang. So yun ang pinakamahirap. But of course, if you can manage it well, hindi ka naman dadating sa puntong ganon. Alright, so another query from Eduardo. Tinatanong niya kung ano daw ba ang mas maganda, Metro Bank Pay Now and Cash to Go or RCBC Only Pay?
How does RCBC installment work? RCBC Credit Card's Unlimited 0% is a purchase conversion facility that allows principal and supplementary cardholders to convert their straight purchases to 0% installment over 3 months. Purchases made by the principal and supplementary cardholders are eligible for unlimited 0% excluding dollar and corporate accounts. Metrobank Cash to Go allows you to convert your available credit limit from your Metrobank credit card into cash and pay it back in flexible installments, ranging from 3 to 60 months. Other benefits: low interest rates. Cash to Go offers low interest rates, with some offers as low as 0.68%. Cashback. You may earn cash back for every approved Cash to Go, with a minimum single transaction amount of PHP 100,000 exclusively via the Metrobank app.
Okay, so kung titignan natin, parang pare-pareho lang ang mga features. But then again, para sa akin, it matters kung saan ka mas convenient. Yun ang importante. Kasi yung mga interest, halos magkakapareho lang yung mga yon. Yung mga process na ginagampanan ng mga bangko towards these features na ina-applyan natin is halos pare-pareho lang. Alright? So, para sa akin, importante iisipin natin saan tayo mas convenient. Which of them is better? So, siguro, both of them are good. Alright, both of them are good. Metrobank and RCBC ay kilalang mga bangko yan at tungkol naman doon sa cash to go and Only Pay, they have the same magandang features. They have good features, they have good benefits, whichever is more comfortable with you and mas convenient sa'yo, yun na lang. Alright, punta naman tayo sa mga nakaka-encourage and nakaka-uplift ng spirit na comments ng ating mga subscriber. Comments ninyo. Thank you so much from Lani Balingasa. Lani, hi! So, it's nice to read from you once again. Okay, so sabi niya, hello Miss Crisel, I love the wisdom that you shared from your story. Naka-relate daw siya. Naiyak pa nga ako, sabi niya. So, more videos to come. God bless. Wow, thank you so much, Lani. It's so inspiring to read comments like this one. Malaking bagay po, nakaka-inspire and nakaka-encourage sa isang taong katulad ko. Nakaka-uplift ng spirit. And thank you so much, Lani. Alam ko na merong mga naniniwala pa rin sa akin kahit na may nagbabash sa akin, nangungutya and all that. But that's normal. We all have our own share of mga things na ganyan. Parang hindi naman siya struggle. Siguro parang ano lang, kind of discouragement. Pero hindi talaga yun ng strong na kokontra sa principles ko sa buhay. Hindi yun yung isang malaking magpapabagsak sa prinsipyo mo sa buhay at sa kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Para sa akin, I have to move on like anyone else, like you. Gusto natin yung meron tayong mga ganong klase ng pinagdadaanan, but ang laki ng impact, positive impact sa atin. So, ginagawa nating hindi discouragement, kundi encouragement. Positive na lang ang pagtingin natin sa mga bagay-bagay. So, thank you so much, Lani, for that appreciation. And you inspired and encouraged me today. Thank you so much. Alright, so natakal natin ang 5 queries natin from our YouTube channel and maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nanonood at naniniwala. Thank you so much. And sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, sana makapag-subscribe na rin kayo sa ating YouTube channel. And always tap the notification bell so that you'll always be notified sa mga videos na i-upload ulit natin in the coming days. So once again, maraming salamat and always remember, kahit na anong klaseng pagsubok meron ka sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!